So what are Gaia Dome Solutions domes made of? Two things really that comes with the kit. First is the wood frame itself, and that wood frame is C24 pine. That C is certified. Then the wood wool is a standard wood wool, and it comes with a wind membrane. Now you can use a different insulation if you like. You can use any insulation for that matter. We can use the wood wool, which provided. You can use the hempcrete, which we suggest. You can use foam if you like. You can use insulation, which we do not suggest, but you can. There are other alternatives out there, and if you want to know about any other, just let us know. But we highly, highly recommend the hempcrete. Well, dome dwellers, we hope this has answered what our domes are made of. May your next home be a dome home.